Question 9 of this exercise is a problem on simple interest. We have to find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years if in part A the principal amount is rupees 1200 and the rate of interest is 12% per annum, and in part B the principal amount is rupees 7500 and the rate of interest is 5% per annum. So to solve this question, we will make use of this formula for simple interest, which says that the interest payable I, it can be calculated, the interest I can be calculated as PRT by 100. So the numerator is PRT, where P stands for the principal amount, R stands for the rate of interest, and T is the time period in years. And using the interest amount that we calculate from this formula, we can then calculate the total amount payable as the principal amount plus the interest. This formula for simple interest is derived in the NCERT textbook. So if you want to understand why it works, you can go back and review that discussion. But for this question, I will apply this formula directly. Okay, so in part A, the interest will be PRT by 100. So the principal amount in part A is 1200. The rate of interest is 12% per annum, and the time period is 3 years. So this product divided by 100. So how much is this product? So we cancel out these two zeros. So we have 12 into 12, that's 144. 144 into 3, that's 432. So the interest will be rupees 432. So let me put a rupee symbol here also to represent that the interest is in rupees. Okay, and now we can calculate the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years. So the amount will be the principal plus interest. So the principal is 1200. Interest we have calculated as rupees 432. So this sum is rupees 1632. So the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years for part A is rupees 1632. Similarly, let's do part B. First, let's calculate the interest. So the interest will be PRT by 100. So interest in rupees. Then P is 7500. The rate of interest is 5% and the time period is 3 years. So this product divided by 100. Let's calculate this expression. So we cancel out these zeros. Then we have 75 into 3 is 15 and 75 into 15 is 1125. So we will get the interest as 1125. So now the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years will be principal plus interest. So rupees 7500 plus the interest that we have calculated 1125, and this sum is rupees 8625. So in part B, the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years is rupees 8625, and this completes question number 9. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.